All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Well, onto this, Yoruba elder sends strong message to Mrs. Modupe Onitiri and Professor Banji Akintoye. Well, a lot of things though are actually being said onto this, and then this Yoruba chief had made it clear that as far as this movement is concerned, before now, the Yoruba Nation movement was not like this. That initially, when the Yoruba Nation started, the people were so agile. They were working together. We had a lot of strong youth cooperating, fighting the fight. In fact, at the made mention of Yoruba Nation, then every other person will tremble. But this time around, this elderly man, Yoruba man, had called on Mrs. Modupe Onitiri and Professor Banji Akintoye that what exactly is going on? What are you people doing? That with the way you people have taken Yoruba Nation this time around, I'm not sure you'll be able to achieve Yoruba Nation the way the whole thing is going. And then what exactly are we talking about? Hey, my brother, my sister, you understand that, for some time right now, the pioneer of Yoruba Nation had been sidelined. Yes, and then as it stays, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri now has her own followers, and a lot of people are complaining. In fact, and when I checked the record, the comment of majority of people onto this one, I noticed that a lot of people are not happy with the way the whole thing is going, and then many people are complaining that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is just disturbing herself, that all the people that are following her are just disturbing herself. In fact, I have some couple of messages that I have just checked right now on my DM. Majority of people are like, why is it that since Mrs. Modupe Onitiri joined the struggle, there's been separation, that it has never been the way the whole Yoruba Nation have been, that for Yoruba Nation to be actualized, that we need to come together. I think this whole thing had been overflogged, and then I see no reason why some set of people will now be like separating themselves from the other group. I think the Yoruba Nation movement is supposed to be one. When they are one, I think that's when the whole thing will be able to work out. But the way the whole thing is going right now, I don't understand. And a lot of people are complaining that this Yoruba Nation movement is not like the way it was in the in like 2 years to this time. That what exactly is the problem? Why is it that people are no longer responding the way it's supposed to respond? And that's exactly the problem right now. So right now, majority of people are now like, if that is the case, we all need to call ourselves together. We all need to call the leaders together. That what exactly is the problem? Because as it is right now, majority of people are like, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, since she joined the struggle, it had been woeful. It has never been the way it is, and this is exactly what everybody is now complaining of. And right now, this elderly man had made it clear that why is it that people are not seeing it in the in a way that the whole thing is now upside down. A lot of people are just marrying in separation. That when the people are not connected. Before now you will see where you see a lot of people from diaspora. They will gather themselves together. They will be getting caps, uniforms. They will tell you that a mega rally is coming. We all need to participate. What is the next line of action? Okay, this is what we are going to do. Everybody was together, but now this elderly man came out and they made it clear that the way the Yoruba people, the leaders, are operating this Yoruba nation, that he is not sure they will be able to actualize it. And then what do you think? What do you think this will cost to the people? That's exactly what we are talking about. Because right now, the country, no, I don't know, maybe because a lot of people are thinking, oh, it's a Yoruba man that will become the president. So because of that, we should just relax. They believe that Tinubu will be the one to save them. But they have forgotten that that 1999 constitution remains. And then, with a lot of information that has reached us, it had been gathered that if you believe that Bola Ahmed Tinubu will save you, then you are on a long term. The only people that will even benefit from him are the people who are close to him, who actually surround him. So right now, the Yoruba Nation movement should not even lack anything. They should not relax because the way the whole stuff is going right now, we pray. Our prayer is that people will not regret that they actually embarked on separation. This is exactly what it is right now. And then, when I try to take a look at what a lot of people have actually said, my brother, my sister, you will be shocked. You will be shocked at what is going on the mind of people. You won't believe it that, oh, so this is exactly what is happening. But how did we get here? That's exactly the question. How long will it take the Yoruba people to come together? Because they have been announcing it, 2022, it will not exceed that we are going to achieve our Yoruba nation. Now, 2022 has passed, 2023 is going. And a lot, I don't know, maybe they are actually still waiting for, I don't know, maybe they are waiting for the president elect to come and do wonder. Now you can hear what Yerima Shetima has said. The What is this man's name again? Yes, it's Yerima Shetima now, the president of the Arewa. He had made it clear that if Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not sworn in on May 29, then they will take over Nigeria. And a lot of people do not even understand what that means. The Northerners are now giving out voice that they should not dare them all. If Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not sworn in this May 29, that the Northerners will take over Nigeria. That's a threat right now. And a lot of people thought he was just joking. And then a lot of maybe some sort of people would think, oh, this man is actually fighting for the Yorubas. My brother, my sister, don't think, no think, Kamo. This man is fighting for the North. He is fighting for Shetima. Yes, because he knows fully well that as soon as Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being sworn in, automatically the North are taking over again because the vice is a northerner. Their brother is a northerner. So automatically they will be the one that will be in charge. They already know this. That's why they are looking at it as a do or die thing. That if they venture change the mandate, they venture tampered with the winner, that they now give it to another person, or Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not sworn in, that they are going to cause trouble in the country. And I love the question majority of people asked. They were like, oh, so are you trying to tell us that you are fighting for Bola Ahmed Tinubu or you are fighting for your brother? Which one are you trying to tell us? Because we are wise now. We know that you are fighting for your own brother. But for the people who are actually wise, they already know that this set of people have plans against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They believe that if Bola Ahmed Tinubu venture gets to that seat, automatically the Northerners own Nigeria. But a lot of people still don't understand that misery. That is why they are ready to fight anybody. If Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not sworn in May 29, my brother, my sister, we need to wake up. Yet the Yoruba Nation agitators are sleeping. Yet the Yoruba Nation agitators are not thinking towards this. Instead, they are fighting themselves. That's why this elderly man came out and they made it clear that, see, the Yoruba Nation that he knows, that he met, is no longer the same Yoruba Nation that is going on. And then with the way this set of people, the way we say, una they run now, una no go fit ever reach there. And that's exactly his words. My brother, my sister, we all need to wake up. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.